Well, this is the teacher Haris Bhatt, and you are seeing my YouTube channel Learn Accounting with Sir Haris. Today we are going to solve a question from O-level accounting, IGCSE or 0452 7707 O-level or IGCSE 0452. So the question is basically from the chapter non-profit organization. So let's start that. This question has come from non-profit organization and it has come in February-March 25-22. February-March 25-22. So let's discuss that. The ABC Piano Club, February-March 25-22, provide facilities for its members. It also runs a coffee shop where members can buy hot drinks and snacks. So other than a non-profit organization, they have opened a trading concern in the club just to meet some expenses and to earn some revenue to meet small expenses. So they are running a coffee shop so that members can buy hot drinks and snacks. And obviously they will sell for cash and they will purchase goods on credit. So definitely it means that coffee shop trading account will be prepared separately. And there is another thing, club assets and liabilities were as follows. Pianos at cost 12,000, 12,000. Pianos per PM for depreciation is given. Subscription received in advance is given, opening and closing. Subscription in arrears is given, opening and closing. Club insurance paid in advance, right? This is expenses paid in advance. This is also given, but this is club insurance actually. Club rent paid in arrears, that is also given 435. Club coffee shop inventory. So it means that inventory is given in the question. So we have to prepare shop trading account or coffee shop trading account. Trade payable for coffee shop supplies, opening and closing trade payables are given and cash at bank debt balances are also given. Required care, you have to find the accumulated fund for the particular question. So accumulated fund is going to be very easy as we have discussed in the last particular, question also, that accumulated fund, if you want to calculate accumulated fund, what you are going to do, that will be opening assets minus opening liabilities. So if we just see this question and we talk about the opening assets, so I can write here just the calculation because that the calculation is only required. So pianos at cost, we are supposed to use this particular data. So this data we are going to use to find accumulated fund. So pianos as cost is an asset, 12,000. Then provision for depreciation, it is a liability, it is subtracted contra asset account, minus 4,800. Subscription received in advance, minus 650, it's a liability. Subscription received in arrears, plus 390, it's an asset. Club insurance paid in advance, 140, it is an asset, plus 140, assets minus liabilities. Club rent paid in arrears, club rent paid in arrears, the accrued rent, it's a liability. So minus 435. Opening liability, you can say. Then coffee shop inventory plus 320, it is an asset. Then trade payables for coffee shop supplies 200 minus 200. And cash at bank, which is the positive figure, 2045. So please tell me what is going to be the answer of the accumulated fund, like 12,000. 8810. 8810. So 12,000 minus 4,800 minus 650 plus 390 plus 140 minus 435 plus 320 minus 200 or plus 2045. So the accumulated fund is going to be 8810. So we have calculated the accumulated fund, which is the first particular part of the question. Let's move forward. Calculate the accumulated numbers are there for that. And if you calculate the amounts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 amounts are there. The following totals have been taken from the club's receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st December 2024. Receipt subscription received 7800, coffee shop sales 8320. It means that coffee shop is selling coffee for cash. Payments, club rent and insurance, other club expenses, trade payables, coffee shop wages are also given 2,600. Prepare the subscription account, right? And then 6 marks, February-March 25-22. Then you have to prepare club rent and insurance account, right? And then you have to prepare coffee shop income statement for 5 marks. And that's it. So it means that you are not supposed to prepare the, yes, you are not supposed to prepare the income and expenditure account because that is not a requirement of the question. So let's prepare the subscription account in the question. So I'm going to solve it in front of you, the subscription account. So I will write here subscription account. You can write the format, spelling as wrong, doesn't matter. I will write here balance brought down, which is basically the accrued brought down, right? Here I'm going to write accrued carried down, which is can be known as balance carried down. Here comes in advance brought down, which is again you will write balance brought down. Here you will write balance carried down, which is going to be the advance carried down. Bank figure will come over here. The subscription received through check through bank, total amount received is given. First, let's talk about subscription received in arrears 390 and 325. So I will write here 390, oh, sorry, 390 and 325. Then I'm going to write the subscription received in advance 650 and 715. Opening is 650. It will write over here 650 and closing is going to be, that is going to be 715. Now I'm going to write the bank figure that whatever amount has been received in the bank for subscription, that is maybe here, yes, subscription received 7,800, right? And now I will take the difference of the two sides to find the income and expenditure account figure, which we need to calculate. Always remember that when you prepare the income and expenditure account, subscription account, sorry, so you have to write the things and you have to write the brought down also, which will come in the next year, which is 325 accrued brought down. And this is the balance brought down, which is in advance brought down. You will write, otherwise marks will be rejected because they have asked us to prepare the full subscription account. So please, what is the total of the credit side?
7670.
7670.
Sir, that is the income expenditure figure. The total is 8775.
Oh, okay. Total is going to be 8775. I will write here total 8775. 8775. I will write here also. The subscription account is going to be complete. Now, he has asked us to prepare subscription account, then club rent and insurance account. The T account of club rent and insurance. So let's prepare the club rent and insurance account. So I'm going to prepare it here. Club rent and insurance. So rent and insurance is going to be prepared together actually. So you can write in this account, you can solve it in that particular format, which is, let me see, that which things are given in the question. Regarding rent and insurance, club rent and insurance bank figure is given. This is 6,700. Then we have insurance paid in advance of 140 and 155 at the end. So I will write here balance, which is going to be the insurance, which is prepaid actually, brought down, that is 140, and the insurance balance carried down for insurance again, which is prepaid, that is going to be how much? That is 155. So you will write that way. The balance insurance of 140 at the start and 155 at the end. Club rent paid in arrears is given only, that is 435. So accrued brought down of the rent is given, but there is no accrued carried down of the rent is given in the question. So I will write here balance. Accrued means it's a liability, but that is about the rent, and only opening is given, brought down, and that is going to be how much is the amount, because he wanted us to prepare the rent and insurance account together, because the expense is given together 435. That is the problem for us. The bank figure I will write here, which is the total amount of rent and insurance paid during the year. That is club rent and insurance is 6,700, and the difference is going to be our income and expenditure. So let me go for the total. Total is going to be 6840. Here I will write also 6840. And I will write here that will be income and expenditure account. 6840 minus 435 minus 55. Yes,
6250.
6250 is the income and expenditure account. But remember that you have to write the balance brought down in the next year 155, because otherwise marks will be deducted. Now you will prepare the coffee shop income statement, or you can say coffee shop trading account. They are the same things actually. There is not much difference between the two. I will write coffee shop sales first. Let's see what is the amount of coffee shop sales. Here it is given coffee shop sales, and they are basically for cash. And the amount for the coffee shop sales is going to be 8320. So let me write that is 8320. I will write here. Then less cost of sales. Less cost of sales. Opening inventory is given in the question. Purchases we have calculated or might be given in the question. Let me check. Purchases trade payables is given 3815. These are the trade payables. Payment made to trade payable 3815. So it means that trade payables are given. Here comes 200, 186. You can prepare the PLCA to find the purchases figure. So I can just prepare it directly for you. So trade payables, payment to trade payable is 3815. Trade payable at the end are 200. So that is going to be 4015. 3815 plus 200. 4015 minus 186, you will get the purchases. Yes, how much? 4015, 3815 payment to trade payable plus 200. Carry it down. 4015 and minus 186. क्या आता है?
3829.
3829. So I will write here purchases, which is 3829. Now opening inventory is given, that is 320, and closing is 382. So opening inventory is going to be 320. Add purchases, and closing inventory is going to be less, that is 382. So I will use the word, I will use bracket 382. So what is going to be the answer of cost of sales, please?
3767.
3767. हम कर लेते हैं total. You will get the answer
4553.
4553. That is going to be your gross profit. Yes, because there are some direct expenses, which is basically the coffee shop wages is given. That is related to the directly to the trading account, directly to the coffee shop income statement. That's why we are writing it in that particular area. Any other expenses regarding the coffee that is not given in the question, even if wages opening and closing will be given in the question, we would have been preparing a wages account to find the figure to be written in the trading account. So coffee shop wages are 2600, but for wages there is no opening closing given. We don't need to prepare that account. 2600. Yes. So what is the answer of the shop income statement or the coffee shop profit, coffee shop trading profit? That is how much?
1953.
1953 is going to be the coffee shop trading profit. Now let's see. Sufficient received in advance, arrears, club insurance paid in advance. We are done with all the things. But let's suppose that if there is some kind of the question, examiner will ask you to find the depreciation on pianos. So what is the amount of depreciation which is supposed to be written in the income and expenditure account? Can you tell me?
1200.
1200 is the depreciation on piano. That's right. 1200 is the depreciation expense because 4800 is the depreciation, but now at the end is 6000. So 1200 is going to be the depreciation expense for the year, which is supposed to be written in the income and expenditure account. Okay, it is not required in February, March 25-22 question, but still I've just made you write. And in the income, you will write subscription, trading profit, and in expenses, you will write club expenses 375, rent and insurance after preparing the T account of rent and insurance. You will write that, and you will get the surplus also out of that. Coffee shop income statement, right? So only we are using for the coffee shop. So that's why they have given 5 marks because income and expenditure account was not required. 5 marks means sales, 1, 2, 3, and this is 4, and 1 is for the sales. And purchases might be there are 2 marks for purchases. 2, 3, 4, and coffee wages. Okay, so we are done with the question. I hope you got the answer correct. So it's quite easy. 30 March 25, 22. And if you see the most of the part of the question is numerical. So we have most of the part is numerical, although this question carries all numerical parts. Just look at the question. First part numerical, second numerical, third numerical, fourth also numerical. So there is no theoretical part which has come in this particular question. That is always good for us. Now you will solve this question February, March 24, 22. February, March 24, 22. You will solve this question at home. This is going to be same type of question which we have done right now. I mean, which have been solved. Same question almost. You will solve for that. You will prepare subscription account, February, March rent and insurance account. Shop purchases, obviously, you have to calculate, and then shop income statement. I believe that you will done that easily. Okay, thank you very much. Now, please, I'm coming.